Hold on, do it again.
Babe, I only have so many fingers. Diluting everything. Oh, that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, so much less.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. Why? He just sees the broom. Ah.
To mix them. Ooh.
Perfection.
You have to have them all flat. You can't have this like this or this. You have to have them flat. So. Okay. Okay. And we're going to stick them back in.
Those look yummy.
Work. Just the way you want them. Not mushy, al dente. and roasted.
Y'all stay tuned.
Can you bleep that out? About a half a teaspoon. So we'll just put that. Blooper. Oh no, I can't get that through there. Just like, I'm gonna have to use a half a teaspoon. There it is, half a teaspoon.
Hold on, do it again.
Babe, I only have so many fingers.
Sad pot holders.
These two. We got married. 24 years. This is what it's gone through. Look. Hey babe, for Christmas, can I get some of these?
If you're really good.
Always good.